Well, you know, when you're making coffee, you need this thing right here, some clear water, and the coffee pot. So this has a side thing here to tell you how much water. So I'm going to pour this water in here. But I'm right-handed, so I got to go over here.
You need one? Do you need a walking cane or something?
Whoops. So I pour all this water in here.
You had one now, with a full legs on it. You house here?
And then we put this in here.
Oh, hey, there's one sitting right in front of me, and I'm looking all over.
And then I need coffee, don't I?
Okay.
So we got 1, 2, and a little bit more because we like it strong. So okay, and then you put the coffee pot back, you close the lid, and let it brew. How about that? Well, as you can see, the coffee is ready. Remember, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to pour a cup for myself and for my dad. Come back. And we're going to sit down and enjoy.